Okay, we've got our leading edge and the tip of the wing sanded. This is our top coat. We got this beveled and this one beveled. I went and washed my hands, used a paper towel, and wiped it clear of this sanding dust. We don't want that on there because it will definitely affect the glue, affect the tape, affect everything. So we've got that off best we can. Now, time to put it together. Ain't gonna be too bad. You got your built up sides to go by. So I'll give her some hot glue. Yeah, mine's hot. You see it smoking. Tell I was kidding when I said hot, huh? Okay, now the test de resistance. We'll start over here on this corner. Hit that corner, and that straight edge going up to there, because that's vital. This edge here. And that put me straight. Rub that bad boy down real good. Boy, that'd dry your hands out. Get a little moisture back. Okay, now you can see what we got. We got 4 layers of foam, and we got our sanded edges. And this will be where we put our electronics and mount our motor back here. Alright, now the fun part. For some reason this one ain't matching up. The bottom's right. Well, if I was perfect, we'd be celebrating my birthday in a few days. Perfect I am not. Ugh. Not gonna worry about it since it's glued. So we'll run a bead. Let's run this one right here first. And just start. I'm lining that up, trying to eyeball it dead center as I'm forward. Right on that corner. Pull them bottom up and the top down. Looks like we're going to have a pretty decent wing there, maybe. And if we're off a little bit on our cut for some reason or another, which I don't understand, when I'm definitely off some, we're not going to worry about it. Our tape edge will make up the difference. Don't sweat the small stuff. And guess what? Don't sweat the big stuff either. I'm going to run a halfway decent bead of glue down through here. Now I'm running this to where they're going to meet. Not at the edge. It's where they're going to meet. Turn up on their edge. That way you're going to squeeze both of them. Squeeze both of them. And work it till you get your edge right. Look down it. You can see where it needs a little tweaking before it gets cool. Don't worry about the end yet. Okay, we got it. Looks pretty good. Take your hand, just work that foam down. And we're getting an airfoil. Okay, now I'm going to get this end to match up on the airfoil. If I can make a mess now, it'll be done. And trust me, it will be done. Okay, we got this end. A little bit of glue. Try to be minimum on your glue. Just enough to get it stuck good. And work both ends. Work down enough, we're going to work the top down. You get a little hot glue on you, part of the game. Part of the game. Okay. Gotta get the glue trails off of me. Alright, so we got airfoil going on here. Looking better all the time. Okay, we got the other part of the wing step I didn't show you a while ago. I'll show you now. You remember it's 2 inches and 2 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and score my 2-inch line. There we go. Now I'm using a pencil, just pushing down. Get that score line going on. About 2 pulls is all I need, you see it? Pretty easy to see, huh? And we got 2 inches here, or 48 millimeters. Give it a good score. Yeah, good score. 105 over 48. Alright, now we got us a score. Let's score this one just slightly. Just slightly. So it don't crack on us. Now, we're going to go ahead and mount this to the other side. Okay, now that we've got our wings together, we got an airfoil going on. See the airfoil? Yeah, man. Getting excited now. Time to marry these two. Alright, do you left wing seek the right wing to be your lawfully wedded other half? You'd better, because here it comes. Alright, I'm going to poke that in there and give it a squeeze. And while it's hot, here goes. Now, I'm assuming you've already dry fitted this like I did and made sure it was all okay. Now, my top matched just a little bit better than my bottom. So, that allows me to get my glue gun right in there. And make this marriage complete. Okay. We put squeeze on these two. Y'all come on now, get together. We ain't gonna end up divorced. Alright, we got it going on. Okay, I'm going to hold it here for a minute till it cools down a little bit. Okay, we got it cooled down a little bit. And it's time for the extreme stuff. Time to get extreme. Come here, egg crate. Boy, you think that ain't been used? Look at the dots in that one. Might over. Get me another one. Oh, that's good for another wing or two. Alright, our marriage is looking pretty good. See the top side, it's nice and smooth. We'll be back. Okay. we've got the wings married. They said I do. We got extreme packing tape down the leading edge on both sides. Laid her down, started on the bottom side, and worked it over. Then, even after the blue, we put a length of extreme packing tape here, right across the middle, and cut it and lapped it. Okay? Lapped it and lapped it. And what we had left here, I turned it around with extreme packing tape. It don't matter, it runs in both directions. And put it across the joint. Brought it down to the edge, lapped it over. Mashed all the air bubbles out real good. Smoothed it down, and we're looking good. I'm pleased. I'm pleased. Okay. So now here's our battery spot, ESC and transmitter, and our motor. We're getting there.